Hi guys, and welcome to Home with Lace. So today we're going to start off at Lowe's. We're getting some cleaning products and things we need for the new house. If you watched my last video, you would have saw that we bought a house and we had a home tour. So now we're trying to buy locks for the doors and cleaning products because this house really needs some tidying up and a good scrub down. So we're gonna start in the bathroom. Yes, this is footage of our downstairs bathroom. This is the cabinet in there. It's the top of it, and it's so gross. I don't know when the last time they cleaned anything in this room. So I'm really trying to get everything as clean as possible before the movers come, and just so that we know that it's clean and sanitary when we use it ourselves. But this is what I spent the day prior to our move-in, is just cleaning every nook and cranny that I could get to. And here is the result of that cleaning. But that wasn't it. Even the vanity, they had like years of toothpaste gunk and hair products. So I really tried to get everything up as clean as possible. We do plan on taking out this vanity and redoing this bathroom, but not right away. So I'm letting this cleaner sit on here for a good 10 minutes to make sure that I'm killing any bacteria that's in here, and also to just help get this gunk out because it is really stuck on there. Well, I had to use a screwdriver and some other things to try to get all of it up, and it was just so like stuck and dried on there. It was really gross, but I did get it as clean as possible. And thankfully this is just the downstairs bathroom, so we're not going to be putting any of our own products in there. This is just the what would normally be like the half bath in people's houses, but it is a full bath.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side, it makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count.
So like I said, I had to use a screwdriver to get up some of this, and I ended up actually taking a little bit of the paint off, but I did end up getting it as clean as it could possibly get. And then from here I wanted to move on to the kitchen. So we're gonna start in the oven, and this oven is definitely a throwback. It's actually kind of cute, but it's definitely dirty and looks like it hasn't been cleaned in a while. They still have the foil at the bottom that they used for any drippings. And I'm going to use this Easy Off fume free because I am pregnant at this point in time. So I am going to spray it on here and let it sit so that I can scrub it off later. I think Easy Off works so good, so let me know if you use Easy Off or if there's another oven cleaner that you think is even better. Share it in the comments. But look at all this dirt and grime that it was able to get up and just easily wipe off afterward. So I finished off the day by sweeping mopping and vacuuming the rest of the floors. And then I took a break, and this is now the next day. The moving truck is here, so we're getting ready to move the cars so that they're able to bring in all the furniture. We're in the moving truck. Outline all the trash that the old homeowners left in the yard. So they laid down their blue runners so that they wouldn't mess up any of the flooring, and we are just waiting for them to unload the truck. It's really nice moving with a moving company that will actually grab everything, put it inside the house. They are able to unpack a few things and put it away for us, and that way we could just kind of relax and kind of enjoy the process. And being pregnant, it was super nice not having to worry about getting help from my husband to move everything in, and I was just able to direct them in the direction I needed all the furniture and all the boxes to go. And right here I was just showing you that we moved the refrigerator from one cubby hole to the next, and right now they are loading in our new refrigerator, which my husband will start to unbox.
That sound. Can you feel the music? Let's get wild. We're magic, you and I. They call us reckless, but we don't mind. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything.
So we ended up getting the Samsung Bespoke refrigerator, and we got it in the white glass panels. We wanted to try it out because it was really similar to our last refrigerator, which we absolutely loved, and so far so good. We like it. It's not as big as our old refrigerator, but it still has a lot of room. We really like the functionality of it, as well as we like the modern white panels. It looks really nice inside the house. You'll probably see that in a future video because I don't have the clips in this video. But as you can see, it's a really tall refrigerator.
Only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless.
So here is an overview of all the boxes downstairs. The movers moved everything in. I don't have a clip of them setting up the living room furniture and all the furniture in each room because I wanted to give them their privacy. But here I am unboxing all of our kitchen dishes and Tupperware and all that.
Might be over tomorrow, but we got to stay forever.
Emptied out my soul. You've heard it all before. Honest, but I know. Left these years ago. I was young and I'm old. Still care for the void.
So I'm trying to get as much of the kitchen unpacked as I can. Obviously, I am pretty tired and things kind of are slow moving. But as soon as I get as much of this done, we're going to move on to the laundry room. Our washer and dryers that we had previously in our old home are finally loaded into the garage. So we are now going to unload the washer and dryer that the old homeowner left here. And then we will be moving in our washer and dryer, but not after cleaning up this mess because it was so gross. As you can see, you can't really see much of the mess here, but it's just a small glimpse. I did not get clips of me cleaning this. I was too tired off camera, but we did. We scrubbed the walls and the floor after getting these washer and dryers out.
Out in the unknown, story took its toll. Thought I would have grown off the beaten track to become a better man. Sinking in the sand. with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love?
If you are ever getting a new washer and dryer, make sure to check your dryer, especially for any loose change. As you can see, there's a bunch that fell out, and there's even more as he kept moving it into the garage. And here is another glimpse of all the stuff that was spilled on the walls over the years. And you can hear baby in the background talking alongside with me. She wants to be a part of this voiceover as well. So we made our second trip to Lowe's, because you know you can't ever just go to the hardware store once, you have to go multiple times. We bought this new utility sink, and here we are installing it. We, I guess it's a singular we, because it's really my husband doing it and I'm just here with the camera. But then we also bought a larger faucet head, so that way I could use the sink for laundry or anything larger that we need to wash. Alright guys, so we are almost done installing the washer and dryer, and I think I'm going to leave you here. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.